Timber!
Timber! The whole place just literally lights up like a Christmas tree. I haven't seen it for real, but we're going to have a look now, alright? We're going to have a look. Right guys, so here I am this morning doing work at home before we go on a live stream. I'm pretty sure Aidy's doing some work as well, because we normally do on a Wednesday morning. So I've been at this since about 7 AM. Let me just show you what's going on. So I'm busy prepping on Photoshop, let's just call that up. Some images here for some new paintings. So I'm using pre-existing templates that I already own, which are Twilight's Own Homes, and then putting new paintings in over the top. Look, so I'm just rubbing out what's there and putting new stuff over the top. Okay, fantastic. So that's me doing the photoshopping, and then off the back of that, I'm then in the back end of the website. Okay, it's my dashboard, and I'm looking over here to add new items to the portfolio. So I've just got a few done a few done yesterday. So what are we on there? Polaris, that's a new one, new black and white one. So this is the back end with me putting all the photos in and all the text and all the layout options. And then if we click into it and go and see how it looks for real, there we go, that's what we get for real. So that's been my morning so far. Oh, and a trip to the dentist, but we don't talk about that. So this is what I'm doing prior to picking Aidy up later and going off to start all the prep for the live stream. Right, I'll have that. Thanks very much. Okay, next bars delivery. So yeah, so we've just been to pick these up. This is gonna be a little bit of timber just to finish off some client commissions.
Timber!
Timber! Nothing needed that one. There is, that one's all right. Yeah, so here we'll definitely need them, buddy. So we'll swizz those open and redistribute. Right guys, so we're gonna go and have a look now at stuff I finished off yesterday. See what we have got. Yeah, so basically I've used the new black and white with that, these two here. And so all this paint is from a different source. So we're trying something a little bit different this time. Monochrome madness in here, isn't it? Look, everywhere you go, it's all black, silver and gold. Well, apart from that one, which we'll carry on tonight on the live stream. Don't forget, if you want to check those out, guys, go click the link in the corner of the screen. Right guys, so we've got T-minus 40 minutes till we are live, so now we're just going to go and get the big, huge 6-foot round one off the wall and get it set up on the spin table. Remember guys, if you're enjoying this video, give us a thumbs up. Right, well that's another massively successful live stream done. Do go and check it out. We'll pop a link up in the corner. We'll see if we can pop some images or some stills or a little bit of footage in so you can see what happened. It was one of the most amazing paintings I've ever done, so you must go check it out. But yes, now with it being about 9:30 and having done all the post live stream stuff, we're probably going to head out of here now and head home, stop for diesel, get home in about 3/4 of an hour. But that's a really, really successful evening. Super, super happy with the live stream. I call that job done. Hey guys, it's, what day is it? Friday? Ooh, completely forgot what day of the week it was then. I've just arrived, Aidy's on day off because it's his wife's birthday. Happy birthday. So I've rooked up to go and check a live stream painting, which I think is looking pretty awesome. Actually, everywhere in here is looking pretty awesome today because the sun's out. And because the sky, well, basically pours through these skylights, the whole place just literally lights up like a Christmas tree. So I've raced over here today. I actually couldn't wait to get here because it just looks flipping amazing. So I'm going to crack on with some bits and pieces. Got some commission works to get on with. I've got a little bit of painting to do. Let's hold the phone up, Ed. That's better, yeah. Aidy's made up a load of frames from yesterday, which is fantastic. Gets us ahead of the game for stretching up the commission paintings, which we're going to start next week. And yeah, I've made a list this morning, and my list was enormously long, but it's just got lots of little bits and pieces on it. So I think I'm just going to chop away at those, and let's see how we get on. Right, so that's an hour gone very quickly. 3 emails written, including a request for a quote to send a ginormous crate to Dubai. That's going to be eye-watering, so I'm going to sit down when that quote comes through. Ouch. Plus a few other miscellaneous bits and pieces. Oh, and I've done payroll as well. Ow! Always hurts me to run the payroll every month, even though I've only got 2 things to pay. Anyway. Shall we go and have a look at the live stream painting from Wednesday? If you didn't see it, I'm going to pop a link in the corner of the screen. Aidy sent me a little video of it yesterday saying it looked pretty epic. I haven't seen it for real, but we're going to have a look now, all right? Should we go and have a look? Let's do it. Oh, computer on. I've got to do some transferring of files. Right. Barely stand the excitement, genuinely. I love the reveal bit on a Friday. Right, well, oh my God, look at the floor. Look at the floor. Oh, I'll show you the painting in just a sec. What on earth? There's a giant ring of pink everywhere. Wow. Yep, okay. Oh, and an inner circle. But, shall we have a look? Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. It's a little bit. Oh, wait, stop teasing us. And here we go. Boom! Oh, yes, yes. Right, now the theatre's over. Oh, I say, hasn't this come? Oh, look over there. It's literally like, oh, I like that. That's very interesting. Now, this kind of held its shape after we finished the broadcast because I kept it spinning for 5 hours. So we used the timer, and afterwards, we did some tidying up after we finished live streaming, but kept it on for 5 hours, and that is fantastic. Look at these shapes. Look what's happened there. That is insane. That is outrageous. I love it. This is either the nucleus of a cell or the birth of a star. Oh, I absolutely love that. Yeah, if you haven't seen it, we'll put a link down below, and also check the link in the corner of the screen so you can go and see this actually being made. It certainly didn't start out like this, I can assure you. It was quite a night, actually. But man, oh man, I gotta say, is that dry? It's not far off. That is pretty stunning. Whew. Quite relieved now. Oh, actually, I've made a bit of a mess. Whew. Genuine relief, that. It's the first time I've seen it. Woohoo! Right, so I've just got another painting out of the pod, which is one I've been experimenting with some paint with. And I'm trying not to, right now, blow my own trumpet or appear arrogant or cocky. But I'm creating some paintings at the moment which I think are kind of raising that level, if you know what I mean, raising the bar. To me anyway. I'm probably the only one that notices it, and Adi will as well. But there's some really, I mean, like proper boundary pushing stuff that we're doing at the moment, which I'm so super happy with for lots of different reasons. And I've just pulled one out now, which no one's seen before, which is with a new variation of the paints that we use. And it's just a monochrome, so it's black, white, and one colour of gold. So that's it, just 3 colours. No chemical additions, nothing, except for what we spec'd up in the paint. And look at it. Now it's a very, very, very bright day here, so I'm not quite sure how the camera's going to react to this, but I just wanted to show you why I'm super excited. Look, this is an abounding confidence, that's what this is. You know, because it's ticking all my own boxes. And when you create something that does that and pleases you, and the result of your endeavors and what you've done with regard to materials and thought process and conceptualizing and application methods and drying and all the care and love and attention that you can put into something like this, when it all goes right, when it looks good, and when it pleases you and you think, oh yes, that's exactly what I wanted, that's when you feel super excited, but also extremely confident in your own abilities. As a creative person, I mean, if you're creative and you're watching this, then you'll know what I mean about you go through ups and downs and peaks and troughs with your creative output. I certainly do. And then you hit a streak where everything just comes together, and no matter what you touch, comes out exactly how you'd planned it. And I'm right in that streak at the moment, if I'm honest. Things have all just clicked together after quite a few months of a lot of hassle and a lot of woe and a lot of stress. Things are now sort of starting to come together. And actually I see the difference in the paintings, and particularly this one, now I've got it out in the sunlight, I'm just utterly overawed by it, genuinely speaking, and I think this would look unbelievable wherever you put it. So, you know, I'm really just getting going actually, you know, and a lot is thanks to Adi with he's pushing in terms of techniques and material technologies and techniques, what I mean is, you know, equipment, and pushing me, you know, along with all the other 1,000,001 things that we have to do, and his ideas and his generation of input, and then I'm delivering that in spectacular form. And I don't mean that as a boast or anything else, you can just see it. I mean, that's just, you know, whether you love abstract art or hate it, it doesn't really matter. That is a whoa, it's just fantastic. So yeah, anyway, super pleased. That's the second super pleased thing of the day so far. That's going pretty well, isn't it? Well, inevitably, I've now got some office work to do, and it's about 90 degrees outside. But I definitely have to get some work done. So I'm just about to get another painting online. I've just written the content for it, and I've now logged into the website. I'm going to upload the images, give them descriptive text, organise the page, put the prices in, all the descriptive, all that does that. So I must get another painting on today, so I'm going to do that. Massive problems with the printer. If you followed some of the vlogs already, you'll know that the printer is the bane of my life. For whatever reason, that old steam-powered PC over there can connect to it, but my laptop, which is 2 feet away, can't. Anyway, I'm not going to stress about that. I'm just looking out the window and thinking, if I can do this as quickly as possible, there's still some of the day left. So inevitably now, here's a time lapse of me working at my laptop.